Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of Dr. Seuss's birthday, I want to show you guys how to draw Yertle the turtle. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Yertle the turtle, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to start right here and I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curl up and then down. Starting right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and it's going to curve down. Then I'm just going to bring it over and it's going to curve up into a little smiley face. Then I'm going to add just a little line right here. Right here, we're going to draw a little line that curves in. And we're going to bring this line all the way down here. Starting here, we're going to make two little lines that come down. And right around here, I'm going to make a little oval shape for the opening of his shell. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that curves up and down. Then I'm going to start up here a little bit, and I'll draw another one that curves up and down. I'm going to make another one here. And then I'll add one more right here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that just comes down. We want to make the arm over here, so all we're going to do is make a line that goes down. Then it's going to come at an angle. And all we have to do for the feet is draw a little line that curls around like this. And then one more that just goes down and up. Next, I'm going to bring this line around, and then I'm just going to curve it down to here. I'm going to bring this line down a little bit, and then we want to make the back leg. To do this, we're going to make a line that goes up, and it's going to come down past the shell. Starting here, we're going to make a little line that's going to curl around. Make one more right here. And then I'm going to bring this all the way over to here, and I'm going to bring it up. Then we just want to bring this line down and right here. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve out, and I'm going to go up and down and make it a little wiggly. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up and then back down and come to a point for the tip of the tail. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to make a little line that curls and another one that curls here. I'm going to draw a line that goes down to just before I get to the arm. Then I'm going to go up and down and then right to the leg. Same thing here. We're going to go down, curl it to the leg or the arm, and then go right to the leg. Then I'm going to make a little curved line here. Now for the face of Yertle. I'm going to add a little smiley face here and another one here for his eyes. I'm going to give him two little curved lines for eyebrows. A little dot over here for the nose. And then I'm going to add a couple little hairs on here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Yertle the turtle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.